Hey guys, and welcome back to Phoenix 21 Studios. I know the last time I had a video I said to be getting wheels and tires for the Jeep, but this one's going to be about the Corvette. So on vetlights.com I found the Morimoto Taillights that are really liked, and I was actually really impressed with how fast they shipped. I got them over, I guess, about a 3-day time span from ordering them to getting them at my doorstep. The build quality on these is really good. Everything feels robust. All the wires feel thick. Feels like everything's in there attached real nicely, packaged well. The housing on the outside of the light is basically a clone of the factory OEM housing. So there's no fitment issue. These things are flush. They fit great. The price is about $5.75, I think. If you can catch them on sale, you might get them for cheaper. Overall, really happy, really impressed with the lights. When you go to order these, one kit includes all 4 lights. Don't try to set your quantity to 4, or else you get 4 sets of 4. This is what it looks like after the installation. I think they look great. There's a side-by-side view, the OEM light and then the new lights. That's with the turn signal turned on. So on the very top of your headlight you're going to have a Torx screw, and it is a T10, and you pull down, lift up, and this is the easiest installation I've ever done. It literally just pulls out, detach your tail light, and you're good to go. Getting your actual light bulb out can be a bit difficult. Everybody says that their connectors are brittle, so if you can get a little tool, something small, you'll notice the nipple piece, it doesn't push down, it's the tab that you have to raise up. So if you can fit something small in there to get that tab raised up over the nipple piece, then you can just easily pull it out. The lights are labeled with the LH and a RH, and the new lights come with the same letter indicators so you know which side to put it on. These are not all symmetrical. One side does not fit the other side, so match them up, LH with LH and RH with RH. If you do happen to break your tabs, you can just use a zip tie. That'll get that nice and snug on there. Putting the light back in is just the reverse process. Start at the bottom, get those 2 pieces seated in. A little bit of a thud, and you know it's in there. And when you put the Torx screw back in, you'll notice that it pulls in an upward direction. There's a little bit of a tension there that it's pulling it up, and that also helps it to see better. Well, that's it for me in this video. Overall, like I said, it's literally the easiest installation I've ever done. If you can turn a screwdriver, you can do this installation yourself. Future projects going to include the front headlights, but those are a bit pricey. I think $1,300, $1,200 for the Morimoto. That's a bit of a challenge on installation from what I understand. You have to take the front bumper off. If you enjoyed this video, click like, subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. Have a good day.